So, literally, I was going through my stuff and clearing out old papers and stuff, and literally, like, okay, so I pull out these things that I wanted that was like, they're just old, and they just got a bunch of like stupid stuff on them. Not stupid, but just old stuff, right? And so I was like, weird, so weird. This is all, it's all like weird and like weird. It's really weird. Hmm. I feel, this is what I feel. Like, I feel like, why doesn't anything work out for me? Everything that I want, why doesn't it work out? That's just what I feel. And yeah, I know faith and all that bullshit, but I fucking swear to God. So anyway, um, I think I wrote this like last year, maybe a little bit, like I wrote this last year, probably in August. And, literally everything that I wrote on this paper, everything that I wrote on this paper is still true. A whole year later, everything that is on here is accurate and current today. Literally everything. Everything. Okay, so these were the lessons that I guess I had to learn. So, number one, nobody is coming to help you. Nobody's coming to save you, right? I mean, that's sad, and it's like kind of like, I don't know, it really hurts my feelings, but it's just the truth. Nobody's gonna come and save you and give you a helping hand. Nobody gives a fuck, right? So, number two, money. I don't know what I put for this one. I just put money and consistency. Number three, open up about offenses and forgive immediately. How does that ring true right now with what I'm going through? It's so scary. So number four, don't ignore offenses. Talk about them and let them go. Look at my elf here. Wow, that's crazy. Don't ignore offenses. Talk about them and let them go. Open up about your offenses and forgive immediately. Crazy. Stop getting so upset. Anyway, that's all I had. So, yeah. I think what I can take away. Oh my gosh, I'm so funny. I say some funny stuff. Another sad thing is, regardless of what these people are doing against me and whatever, God will always have the victory, and He'll always show up for me, I don't know. It's just really weird. Crazy stuff. But yeah, so my takeaway from the whole thing was And it's sad because like I can either look and see like I'm literally in the same spot as I was last year. That is so defeating, but then and then like it's like I only inch forward just a little bit, then I get knocked back down 10 steps backwards, and then I barely inch forward, then it's like all the way back again. Like it's so stupid and ugly, and I feel like there's somebody that sits around and literally works against me. That's the way I feel. Is that not having faith in God? I think so. But regardless of whatever, I feel like I need to just realize that, you know, things aren't built and done in one day. And I need to stop getting so upset and mad, because I do. I get upset and I get so angry because I'm just like there's so much on me, you know what I mean? And then like there's nobody, there's just me and Jesus, you know. But anyway, before I get too upset, I love you guys and I hope you subscribe to my channel. Bye.